Hi, this is John with WTI. And from time to time, I'd like to have something sweet around me, maybe just a craving. When I have those cravings, I like to have something sweet. And this is where this Holly Ranch little gums comes into place. And it just tastes great. It's a good amount of sugar that's gonna keep my insulin levels high. Sometimes I've struggled with that and I get this severe headache. So a little bit of sugar. This guy's watermelon, apple. It just had this nice variety. It has 20. So I take this bits even while I'm playing basketball or soccer. And having those situations that my insulin level goes down a little bit, it's getting one of these guys even while I'm playing, and it just does the job. Or even if you just want to have a normal treat, a candy space in your day, this guy's here. It's convenient. You don't have to be bringing on this huge box. No, just get this a couple of these guys, and you're good to go. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.